Kia ora Airsofters, today's footage is part 1 of the TAR 2025 annual Christmas game. This was a pretty special game for me. For years I've hoped one of my kids would be keen to play Airsoft with me, and finally my son has started to play. I love the vibe at TAR games. The grid squad was out in force and it's awesome to see them, even if they can't see anyone else due to their masks.
I just got three, it's awful.
You're a stormtrooper. Oh, our team, sorry. He's on our team.
We'll go to that river.
Cross through here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll keep cover. Connor, go through into here.
While my Crytek P90 doesn't have the best range, I still have a lot of fun trying to reach out and tag someone.
Cut through.
Playing Airsoft with my son has changed my approach. I'm trying to teach him and set him up for some fun shots. I'm also doing my best to stay close to him.
That's completely blocked off too. You're not in play, Gunny.
Yay! Finally got one! Thanks, David.
Oh, hit!
For a new player, I'm really proud of my boy. He's happy to get into the firing line. I'm keen to help him learn some tactics and some general tips. I don't know if I'm helping too much pointing things out to him on the field.
There, push it up. I saw a band pretty close up on us here.
There's a couple in that pocket.
Yeah.
Down there, sort of,
Yeah, holding that corner. Yeah, we got there.
we've cleared that pocket on the left hand side.
Okay.
Just keep pushing.
Cool. Ready? Okay. He's just low. You see him? He's just ahead of us, but low.
After spotting an opposing player, we get to work to try and flush him out.
Yeah. He might be hit. No. You see him? He's laying low. I'll move forward, see if he jumps. Sorry. Wait, there he is. He's here, right in front of me. There. Keep on this tree, stay tight. Just through the, if you look down through, pop out a little bit. He's laying low. You can see his head. You see him?
This guy's got some great cover and he's really hard to see. I'm trying my best to put some BBs on him and set my boy up for a shot.
There you are!
I decide to try and push forward and get a better angle.
Keep pressure on him, Connor. Keep shooting at him. Well done.
That's my boy, one down and more to go.
Oh, maybe not.
I'm not sure where the opposing player is. Spray and pray time.
Okay, he's on that tree. Oh no, I got him. Yeah. Gonna go across. Don't. Can you keep an eye down there? I'll shoot this one. Then you pop up through.
Yep, more spray and pray.
Keep the pressure on him.
That's my boy hit. I'm on my own now. I'm just going to hold position and wait for reinforcements.
There's two about there, laying low.
Son of a bitch is dug in like an Alabama tick.
And they're covering fire through. Nice work, Logan. That help you? Did I get you, Tom? Did I get you? They're being very patient. This does not look very promising. Do we go back into the shade? Looks like we've had a lot of people peel back.
My team is having a really hard time in this game. We keep getting pushed back.
You take the, oh my gosh, they're getting peeled back. We're about to walk into a lot of fire. Connor, gun up.
I'll go with V3. Alright, you too.
Okay. That's not our team though, you sure? Oh yeah, you're shooting at range, well done. Do you want to go after him? Did you get him? So you got range on that guy down there? Oh, from the building. Oh sorry, you can't say. You alive? Okay. Oh. Do you want me to get distraction on him? I'll get you a target. Oh, hit! There's a whole group moving up on him for that guy.
Having respawned, we have a quick tactics chat with other players. Then we decide to push back out and see if we can capture some ground.
What the? That's not what I was expecting. What?
I'm shocking him, I said.
He's in the tree?
Notice the smoke is from a Martina Smoky Wolf Mini. Check out my review if you want to know more. Link in the description.
Whew. What the? He's lobbing. Hit!
While this was a really tough game for my team, it was awesome to be out playing with my son. I'm really looking forward to getting out with him more in the future. Thanks for watching. Follow me and my team, the Beeb Magnets, on Facebook and Instagram. Find out more about Taranaki Airsoft Rangers, my home club. I'm proud to be sponsored by Special Effects Retail. And a huge thanks to Unlimited Airsoft in Wellington, exclusive BB supplier to the Beeb Magnets. If you enjoyed my content, please like, subscribe, and get notified.